Change doesn't just come from one place. It's shaped from an effective ecosystem of different communities working collectively. So it's important to ensure that positive social impact can prosper. At Good Mojo, we've created the tools to help you grow change from the ground up, easier than ever before. Like a skyline expanding from a single building over time, large movements can start from one changemaker as well. Good Mojo makes it possible to gauge how to best invest time and support in the community through charitable portfolios and volunteer tracking. Socially engaged organizations are able to closely engage with their communities, pinpointing where to best apply resources while building stronger relationships. With Good Mojo, service providers can extend their horizons, boosting collaboration near and far. Good Mojo makes doing complex tasks easier, guiding the process from raising awareness to generating outcomes, so you can focus more on delivering your services. And government agencies can cultivate and carry out their plans at a greater speed, getting a wider view of the impact of their work to predict the success of their programs. At Good Mojo, we are going further than just connecting people. We are providing the tools to create meaningful social impact. And that makes doing good easier than ever.